Katie, and this is Living in the Now. On my channel, I talk about everyday manifesting. Stories and examples help you to manifest everything you desire. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe so I can reach more people. Today's video is about the law of assumption. Let's understand the law of assumption and make manifesting easy for ourselves. So one definition says, the law of assumption states that whatever you assume as true becomes your reality. Well, what's an assumption even? An assumption is a thing that is accepted as true or as certain to happen without proof. So that means it's the stories you have going on in your thoughts, what you think and expect to happen, usually based off old experiences, memories, and past events. Like I assume my friend is always going to be late, even without proof of that happening again in the future. I assume it first, then end up experiencing it. That can also mean something you assume to happen without proof that's positive. Like I'm going out tonight and I look amazing. I assume I'm going to meet someone special. And then you do. So what is really happening here? What's happening is you are focusing on something and seeing the having of it, whether that's positive or negative. You are assuming you will have something, or that something will happen. And those two things are what manifest things. Being focused on a desire and feeling you have it, or will have it, the having of it. That it will happen, and you'll have it. Another definition of the law of assumption says, the key to using the law of assumption to manifest your desires is to assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. So that really just means focus on your desire and feel like it will then happen. Find a way to convince yourself that your desire will happen and that you will have it. Another says, Neville Goddard teaches if you want to change your experience, you must start by changing the assumptions you hold about the world. Assumptions about the world could be, money's easy to get. People are always mean to me. Relationships are hard to find. Basically the stories you have in your thoughts. Another definition says, the law of assumption is a means of manifesting desires by having a state of mind and the feeling that those desires, wishes, and aspirations have been fulfilled. Neville Goddard explains that achieving a desired goal has everything to do with your state of mind rather than mere action. The law of assumption dictates everything that happens in this world. Whatever you assume is true, regardless if it really is true or false, will harden into fact. The law of assumption is a way to create anything you desire by assuming the feeling of your wish as already been fulfilled. Neville Goddard teaches that the way to create anything you desire is simply to assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled. It also says where most people fail to apply the law of assumption successfully is because they do not maintain the feeling of their aim long enough for it to appear before them. They do not persist in it, but instead allow the physical world to convince them that it's not realistic or possible for them. Okay, so what does this all really mean, and how can we make it easy for ourselves? Well, if you've been watching my channel, then you are familiar that we can manifest anything in 3 easy steps. And if you aren't sure about this yet, check out my video linked below called 3 Steps to Manifest Anything. The 3 steps are 1. Decide what you want. 2. Say what you want. And 3. As you say what you want, find a way to see yourself as having it in the moments that you say it. The thing with you, next to you, given to you. Or if you can't see anything, knowing that because I said I want it, then that means I want to have it. And that means I said I want it, so I will have it. Have your dominant thought be, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. That way, when you decide on a desire, say you want it, that means it will happen. It will happen means I'll have it, the having of it. So then, if that's my dominant thought, at any time I can decide on a desire and say, I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want and the thing I want. And as I do, I see flashes of me having it, or with it, or doing it. And if I can't see anything, I know by me saying that dominant thought, plus my desire, that it means I want to have that, and I want to have that to happen next. So those are the 3 steps. So by doing the 3 steps, you are accomplishing the law of assumption automatically. You are assuming, by saying that dominant thought, plus your desire, that it will happen and you'll have it. So you found a way to assume your desire to happen, and for you to have it, fast and easy. You feel inside after doing the 3 steps like, yes, it will happen, I'll have it. And if it's hard to do that and you have a more specific desire with more details to it, you can make a wanted story. My video on what a wanted story is linked below. But you feel inside like, yes, it will happen, I'll have it. And that internal state of being is what he means by feeling the wish fulfilled, and assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, and assuming it will happen, all in one, and made easy. By doing the 3 steps and convincing yourself that you will have your desire and that it will happen, then you have also done everything the law of assumption is saying to do. What you are assuming is that when you say what you want, it happens. So you live in the state of being of having it, will have it, and that is the state of being that manifests it. What's a real-life example? Let's say I want $100. I do the 3 steps. I decided what I wanted, $100. I say it. So I say what I want, it happens. I always get what I want. I want $100 now. I want $100 given to me for free now. I want it to come to me and find me exactly where I am now. So for me, when I say that, I've done the 3 steps. I decided what I wanted, said it, and as I said it, I saw myself with money, or felt I would have the $100 soon. I added the part that says comes to me so I can be at ease about it and know that it can come to me, or me then be easily led to it without trying or struggle. So what did I do here? I did the law of assumption, but made easy. I convinced myself by saying that dominant thought that when I say what I want, it happens, and I said I want $100, so I assume that will then happen because I said I want it. And what I say I want happens. Happens means I have it or will have it, the having of it. Feeling like you will have it soon is the same internal state of being as having it now, and manifests it. So this can work the exact same way for any desire. This is how I manifest everything. This is also how instant manifestation happens. If you can do the 3 steps and let it be, it manifests fast. Let it be means silence after. No bad thoughts about the desire after. You have to make that new desire dominant, or say it once and let it be, with no bad thoughts about it after. Bad thoughts say and imply, I won't have it and it won't happen. So assume by doing the 3 steps, a way for you to get your desire, and have it will be made and formed. Do you want to change a person and experience a new version of them, maybe? Then you'd assume, by saying a new wanted story about the person and what you want to be different, that they will shift and change to that version. Another example. For many YouTube people, they said how they assumed that they had tons of subscribers and pretended to be doing videos for tons of people compared to what the amount really was. So what were they doing here? They decided what they wanted. Tons of subscribers. They said it and focused on it, and regardless of what they saw in the 3D world, they assumed that they were making videos for millions, and shortly after, they were. See how they were assuming they were going to have something? The having of it? They were assuming and feeling like that was true, and going to be true. Will have it. Will happen. And remember, those two things are what manifest it. I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want is an assumption. You can also start to assume manifesting is easy for you. Remember, an assumption is a thing that is accepted as true or as certain to happen without proof. So for me, my assumption is that when I say what I want, it happens, and that I always get what I want. And since I made that dominant by repeating it, then I started to see results of that. And now I made manifesting easy for myself, because all I have to do now is decide what I want, and say, I want the thing I want, and know that means I want to have that next. So master the 3 steps, and start to assume by doing the 3 steps that you will have it. It will happen. Then it will become true, and you will have your desires. I can't think of an easier way to manifest than to pick something you want and say you want it. And to then know by doing so, by doing that, and by focusing on having it, and convincing yourself that you will have it, that then it would manifest fast and easy. That then you'd get internally led to it, or it to you, and that a way for you to have your desire will be formed and made for you. It's amazing to see and experience. So by mastering the 3 steps, you have also mastered the law of assumption, but made easy. Introduce yourself in the comments below. Let me know where you're from. That's my video for today. Thanks for watching.